In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to your Whop. We'll walk through the full process together from inside your dashboard, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on each screen. This is a quick workflow, but I'll slow it down a little and add context so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, start by going to your Whop home. This is your main dashboard, the place you land after logging in. If you're not already there, log into your Whop account in your browser and make sure you're on the home or main overview page rather than deep inside a specific product or settings page. Think of this home page as your command center, where you can manage everything related to your account and the tools connected to it. Once you're on your Whop home, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a column or sidebar with different sections. In that sidebar, find the section labeled Apps. This is where Whop organizes all the tools and integrations you can connect to your account. Inside that Apps section, you'll see an option to add a new app. Go ahead and click on the Add button there. Clicking Add will take you into Whop's app area, sometimes referred to as the App Store or App Listing page. Here, Whop shows you the available apps that can be connected to your account. You might see a list or grid of apps, each with its own card or tile. Take a second to make sure you're on the correct app you want to install. When you've found it, you'll notice another Add button associated with that specific app. Click on that Add button to start connecting it to your Whop. After you click Add, Whop will usually show you a confirmation screen or a small pop-up. This step is important because it tells you exactly what access the app will have and what it's going to do once it's connected. Read through this briefly so you understand what you're approving. When you're comfortable with it, click on Approve. Once you approve, Whop will handle the rest in the background. The app will be added to your account, and you'll typically see it listed under your Apps section on the left-hand sidebar. From there, you can open it, configure any additional settings it needs, and start using it as part of your workflow.